from the city that never sleeps and the Big Apple, I'm Arlene P. San Gregorio, your Miss United States of America, saying, more than ever before in human history, we can share a common destiny. We can master it only if we face it together. And that, my friends, why we have the United Nations. I thank you.
From the home of the champion last FIBA World Cup, I'm Lance Mendoza, your Mr. United States of America, saying, the heroes of the world community are not those who withdraw when difficulties ensue, not those who envision neither the prospect of success nor the consequences of failure, but those who stand the heat of the battle, the fight for world peace through the United Nations. Thank you.
USA.